Hello everyone and welcome to Best with Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use Discord. Now, using Discord is pretty much simple. You've got the general chat. Over here you can type messages, talk to your friends and whatnot. You got the music channels. Over here you've got your bots, your music bots, which you can type commands for them playing a music. You got the roles. Well, this is supposed to be a roles channel, which I never completed. But anyways, you got your voice chats, voice channels, where you can join, open up your mic and talk to people. As you can see, there's a green circle every time I speak. That's because voice is being transmitted. If you want, you can share your screen as well as turn on your video camera, meaning you can have FaceTime on Discord. With that being said, you can also go to your user settings. You can go over to voice and video. Over here you can select your application, check if your mic is working, as well as put in some manual instructions on how your mic is gonna take in audio. As you can see, I put minus 60 decibels. With that being said, that's as much as you need to understand on how to work Discord, and everything else you should be able to go with the flow and be able to find out. But with that, these are like the basics. As long as you have the basics, you should have everything else covered as you move on with Discord. With that being said, I hope you found this video extremely helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that notification bell, and press that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss our future uploads. Peace.